Okay, so are you using Abacus AI yet? Because I started using it just a few weeks ago, and at the start I just thought, it's just another AI chatbot, just like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude AI. Why would I want to add another one to the list that does exactly the same? But after using Abacus AI a few times, I started to realize that it doesn't just answer questions, it does a lot more than that. And the interesting part is that it brings a lot of AI tools into one place. You can use it for a chat, as you normally would, but also different AI models, documents, images, presentations, research, agents, and more advanced tasks like analyzing files, large files up to like 16 documents, for example, all in just one upload. Pretty insane. So I'm not just going to be using the same old, boring, write me a paragraph, see what it comes out with. I'm going to test whether Abacus AI can create a full digital pack from one simple idea, including the product concept, launch plan, and brand visuals. So first of all, let's start from the beginning. What is Abacus AI? If you're brand new, you've just opened it up, you don't even know what it is, I'm going to go over the basics for you. So with ChatGPT, for example, you work mainly with one assistant, and yes, it still does tools, image generation, file uploads, different features, obviously depending on your plan, but the system is mainly built around ChatGPT itself. So Abacus AI is different because it's not just built on one model, it's built on multiple models altogether. It brings multiple types of tools into one platform. And that's when it becomes really, really interesting. So when you log in, the platform is split into different creation tools. So if you want text, planning, summaries, or ideas, you can start in the chat. If you want visuals, you can go to image. If you want video, there's a video section. If you want presentation, you can use slides. If you want research, there's a research section. If you want to automate or build something, like more advanced tasks, you can look at AI workflows or agents, or the app building tools. Yes, you can even build an app, and anyone can. You don't need to be someone that's into coding or know about apps. There's so much available in there. And when you look around, you don't really know where to start. But when you start clicking on different things, you're like, whoa, you're telling me that it can create an app from this. It's already got a prompt built in, and there's a mini video as well that explains what exactly you need to do. And then you'll see something that says RouteLLM. So LLM stands for Large Language Model. This basically means the AI model behind the response is basically the brain answering your prompt. So if you have no clue what you're doing, I would suggest using the RouteLLM because it tailors the model for you. If you're a beginner, you don't know where to start, what to do, Abacus will do it for you with RouteLLM. So it just means you don't need to manually pick what you're doing straight away. So for example, you could type in the box, I want to upload 16 documents and I need your help with XYZ. And then what it normally will do, it will reply, for example, saying something like, we can't do this inside the RouteLLM, but we would recommend you use the agent to do this. So then it will switch to the agent. So I would suggest doing that so that then Abacus can basically help you out a little bit. So generally, RouteLLM is a really good starting place for beginners. So let's imagine we want to create a launch digital pack that's called the Cozy AI Planner. Random name, let's go with it. So this is going to be a downloadable PDF planner for freelancers, business owners, creators, owners that want to use AI to plan their content, goals, tasks, and weekly workflow. So the question is, can Abacus AI help me turn this one idea into a full set of useful materials? What I always like to ask AI is, do you have any questions? Just so we're both clear that maybe they misunderstood something. So if you ask, do you have any questions? That then allows you to dig deeper so that if they do have questions, you can both get clarification before they build something for ages and then at the end realizing it's the wrong thing. You need to work with AI to be able to get the best out of it. You see, it replies anyway with options. It says, do you want this to be a PDF? Do you want it in Canva for you to edit? Do you want it to be a landing page? If you do need all of this, then keep coming back to Abacus saying, yes, I need this, I need a landing page, XYZ. So remember, this is just a blueprint. If you do want it to be, blanks that, someone could fill out, you could then put it back into AI and say, can you make this document that I can have blank fillable pages so that, the business owner can fill out themselves, what their target audience is, what the price is. Pretty good. Or, if they want to just edit this on a PDF as a digital product, it's completely up to you how you want to use it. In this example now, I just want to show you also images and what it can do in a really short space of time. So I wanted to create a clean, modern mock-up for the AI productivity planner. Show a tablet, a laptop displaying planner pages, weekly goals, AI prompts, and productivity checklist, style, modern, clean, bright, digital productivity. So I've been very specific about how I want it to look. So previously when we used to use AI, words were cropped out and you can tell it was AI generated. This looks pretty decent. All the wording is great. It's like a great image you can use as part of your digital pack. And then it says, you know, if you want softer, cozy version or Etsy or an Instagram post, it will come back with different options. So I think that's really, really handy. So after creating a brand pack, I then want to have images I can use alongside my brand pack. So I can create a brand to go alongside my digital pack. So I need brand and social media images for my, you know, cozy AI planner. And then again, I asked AI to then create me a social media image. So this is what is now created. Looks pretty good. So now I also have this that I can use on socials as well to promote my product. Pretty good. In summary, what do we have? We have an AI productivity planner to use that we can, you know, download as a PDF. We can also then have a fillable PDF as well for the business owner to complete. We've given it our niche that is aesthetic, it's cozy, and also we've got a revenue stream in place that is also helped us with. And then we've also got a launch plan in place. Obviously, we can go more in depth. You know, we could do 50 pages plus if we want a full-on breakdown of what that might look like. The clear thing you'll notice with Abacus AI, you can't use it for free. You do need to sign up and pay $7, and then it will increase to $10 or something similar the next month after that. The reason I'm mentioning the cost, because obviously what we're all going to do, like me, is compare it to ChatGPT. So I'm currently spending around £20 a month on ChatGPT. I've paid $7 for this, so it is something you can consider. I don't use the free version because I do think it's worth paying for the pro. And the good thing is with Abacus, when you sign up, all your data is kept in there. It's not sold elsewhere. You'll see on the website as well. And then you'll see here there's a deep agent option, which again, it will also recommend to you if you think you need to use it for lots and lots of documents. For example, it will then normally say use the deep agent, which is now the agent. And you could also download Abacus AI onto your desktop as well if you want to. So before we wrap up, don't forget to leave me a comment below. Let me know what you're using. It's really nice to hear if you like Abacus, have you tried Abacus, are you brand new, and kind of how it compares. If you've not tried many AI tools yet besides GPT, I definitely suggest giving the others a go. GPT is kind of the go-to, but there's so many others out there that can do so much, and it's just so exciting. If you guys did like this video, do give me a like. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates. I'm giving you lots of AI, e-learning and tech trends. If you like the sound of that, then do hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Bye.